Oh.
Hello guys. We got some bad news. Our virus was actually over there on the tree. Then we changed the spot. Over there. If you can see, it's like over there. And we made the videos over there. So, because there's no snow anymore, cleaners came and took everything, so we don't have even the virus anymore. It's kind of sad, because we could not even find it anywhere. I'm a teleport. So, that's where it was. We should have kept in the tree over there. We made the videos over there, and that's our school. So we probably have to start a new virus, or then we start something else. We might make some other videos like gaming. Yeah, trying to find bottles for money and some kind of that. But I think that piece of plastic was the bag. So we got a new bag full of what the fuck? Oh shit, wrong way. Wait a minute, how the fuck? Oh, like But anyways, we might actually stop making virus because it isn't there. So goodbye these virus videos. We might start making some Brawl Stars, your recommended games. Goodbye. We already had good things like soap, beans, crayons. What was it? Oh, yeah, that's soap. That was all it. Goodbye, mate. I'm gonna load a video of probably Clash Royale. Okay, goodbye. I'm gonna load a Clash Royale video. No more